Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Discord Soundboard and upload your own custom sound effects. So to find the soundboard, all we have to do is join a voice channel, and I've already joined one right here as you can see, and then the soundboard button should be at the bottom left of your screen at the right side of this small box right here. So if you open your soundboard, you have access to some some default Discord sound effects as well as those from other servers. Although to access that, you're going to need a Discord Nitro subscription to be able to use soundboard effects from other servers in another one. So let's give this a quick listen. All you have to do is left click on these sound effects and they're going to start playing. And they're really fun to use when you want to, for example, just mess around a bit with your friends in the voice channel. You can also add your own sound effects if you have the relevant permissions for the server you're in. So I'm going to click on add sound and I can choose a file. I've already got one loaded. It's the Roblox death sound effect. So let's give it a listen. So that's how it sounds like. You can also trim it a little bit to make sure you really remove any of the blank space. There we go, sounds good. And I'm going to call this oof, one of the classics. You can also set an emoji. I'm going to add the skull emoji. There we go. And you can also adjust the sound volume if it's too loud by default. So I'm going to bring it down to about 70%, maybe about 60. There we go, that sounds good to me. So now I'm going to click on upload and it should show up here in your soundboard in your server settings. So let's go back to our voice channel, and if we look, we can see that under Eli server there's the oof sound effect. I'm going to click it to play it and it plays just fine in the voice channel. So that was how to use the Discord soundboard, as well as how you can upload your own sound effects to the soundboard. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.